Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to create a new folder and a new file in Visual Studio Code. So I have Visual Studio Code open here. There's no option to actually create a new folder inside Visual Studio Code. So what you will do is actually open a folder. So you go here, you go to the Explorer icon here, and then you open a folder. You don't see an option here that says create a folder. So you have to actually open a folder, which I'm going to do now. And then I have this Windows dialog box or dialog box. And then from here, I can create a new folder. So I can name this folder new project, for example. And then I can just select it and select folder, and that will create a new folder or project, which what we see here. And then from here we can actually create a subfolder, say new folder, and within the subfolder you can create a new file and a new folder also. But I'm going to just inside the new project folder, I'm going to just create a new file. Let's say hello.ph, py. So that's a Python file. And here you can start coding. So let's say hello world. So Visual Studio Code automatically detect the language that, or the type of file that I'm using now, and it's Python here. So I can just run this and it should work. Yeah, it works. So if you want to close the project, you go to file and then or folder, and then you close the folder. And then if you want to open the folder, you go here to the Explorer icon and then open the folder, which is this folder. And then just select this button, select folder. And we see that this is the folder that we just created. So that's how you can quickly create a new folder or project and a new file inside the folder. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.